It's all about giving. It's all about trust. It's all about people. It's all about us.
It's all about being human and having a heart. It's all about being human and playing a part.
It's all about healing. It's all about life. It's all about helping the weak survive.
It's all about being human and able to care. It's all about being human and ready to share. We're talking life power, Red Cross power, the power to be the best that we can be. We're talking life power, setting us free. Red Cross is life power, the power of humanity.
So as an ANZ staff, I'm very proud to be able to participate today in the blood drive that the Red Cross put out to Samoa, asking its citizens and people to donate. I understand that we're in very dire need of blood. I'm very grateful to the Red Cross and also to the ANZ that have organized the blood drive. You've come to work. It's really easy. It's we do checks as well, so very proud to be part of this. And every time there is a need, I'm very happy and thankfully healthy enough to donate. So if you have a chance, please donate. Donating blood saves lives.
Give blood, save lives.
For TOTO, FESOASOANI, soifua.
Give blood, save lives.
There's a little bit of good in everyone. This is the power of humanity. The Red Cross spirit in you and me. You and me. We're talking life power, Red Cross power. The power to be the best that we can be. We're talking life power, setting us free. Red Cross is life power, the power of humanity. Life power, Red Cross power, the power to be the best that we can be. We're talking life power, setting us free.
So today, Edwina, myself, and many of our team members are here to support the Red Cross blood donation drive. This is something ANZ Samoa does every year. And thanks to Edwina as well as Rita from our team who coordinate with the Red Cross volunteers to drive this very important initiative. And it's particularly important right now given what is happening in Samoa related to dengue. And it's important that we are playing our part in contributing to this important cause. ANZ plays a very important role in the community, and the social side of that is equally important for us. And it's very nice to see that a number of our staff came up and donated blood, which will be great assistance. And I know, Edwina, your kids came to do that as well.
It's always good to have family involved, especially when this is important to the community. And ANZ has always been routing around families to support one another, and having our kids come as well to support this very important blood drive is a key important factor to ANZ. We value life, we value family, and supporting our community is a big part in ANZ's role in Samoa as well. So we've been donating blood for almost more than 20 years, and we're always on the go when Red Cross seeks help. ANZ's always willing to help the people.
Give blood, saves life.
Give blood, save life.
Give blood, save lives.
Give blood, save lives.
Give blood, save lives.